Okay, so this is a text to image, and this is an image to text and text to image application. So what we're doing here is that we're trying to, if you put an image into this model, it's going to generate a text description about the image, like a caption of the image. For example, if I put an image of someone riding a bicycle or a cat, it's going to tell me, oh, this is a cat, or something like, no, can't say someone riding a bicycle, something like that. It's going to tell me an action on that image, like what's happening on that image. It's going to describe it as a caption. And then the text to image, what it does is that I will describe an image and it's going to generate an image, that relates to the text that I prompted the model. So here, on the image captioning, we have two models. We have the Vision Transformer GPT-2, and also we have the BLIP from Salesforce. So here we can drag and drop an image, and then it's going to process the image and then predict the caption of that image. And then we can also copy and paste a URL of an image, and then it's going to process the image and then tell us the caption. Okay. So here I'm going to get this guy. This is Benzema, right? And then I copy the image address. Okay, and then I'm going to paste it here. And then run, load it. Okay, so it's going to load and get the image for us. Okay, so it gets the image. It is the image, and then it tells a man, it is a caption, a man kicking a soccer on the field. So that's it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, oh, sorry, I would have done that. So it picks the image there. So what I'm going to do next, I want to upload an image, okay, from my computer, okay, and then I'll put it here. So I'll upload an image here. So it's going to load that image and tell me the caption of that image too. Okay, so this is the image, a man kicking a soccer on the field or the field. Okay, so I will change this model to the BLIP. So we'll see the difference. Okay, so it says a soccer player, or is this an error? It's a soccer player playing in blue and red uniform, running with a soccer ball. This is more descriptive, and so blue, it even describes the color of the shirt the guy is wearing. But this error, okay, we can actually take care of it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is, so you can see that this BLIP is doing better than this guy. It captures the context of the image better than this VIT-GPT2. Okay, so and the next thing I'm going to do is to move into the text to image generation. Okay. So over here, my goal is to describe an image. Okay, for example, let me call it this guy. So I will describe an image, and then tell it to generate that image for me. Okay. So this guy will take time to run because the model is kind of super large. Okay, it's shooting the so here we're using the diffusion model, the stable diffusion model from CompVis. Sorry. Okay, so you can see it's generated that image for us. So a soccer player in red and blue running the football, the soccer ball. And this is it. Okay, so we can tell it to, let's say, a Nigerian soccer player. Let's say it's going to capture the color of Nigeria or something. It's super ego. I don't know. Super ego uniform. Running with a soccer ball. So let's see. This will be interesting. I've not tried this prompt before actually, but let's see what it can give us. Let's try it. Keep trying. Okay. So generating the image. Okay. It's run quite faster. Okay, this is okay. It's a Nigerian soccer player with super ego uniform running. It is super ego uniform. This is very funny. Okay, but that's the whole idea. So we're trying to write a text description of an image, and then it generates that image for us. So that's stable diffusion. I have written a nice README on my GitHub, so I'm gonna this code, everything's on the GitHub, and I'm also writing. I've put together a blog post that describe every step on how this works, for you to learn from that. Okay, thank you. So what I want to do next is that I want to save this image, okay, on my computer, and then pass it back to this guy, to the image captioning model to tell us what's happening there. So it's a computer generated image. So let's see if it's going to see something there. Okay, so this is what I'm doing now. Yeah. Yeah, so it's processing the image now. So it's the image we generated. This was the image we got from the other side, from the other model, or a computer generated image. If you can see, the face of the guy is not really very well, so we can improve on this. So it's a soccer player in action on the field. Okay, right? So let's try with the blip. Okay. So let's see what the blip says. Okay. This is the blip. Say a soccer player in blue and green uniform running with a soccer ball. So you can always get rid of this. Don't worry about us. Okay. So this is the end of it. Yeah. If you have any question, can ask. I can explain to you. Thank you.